Hey everybody, it's your boy Slushy Student. I'm back with another car video this time. Hi, welcome to the channel if you're new. Hey, welcome. I'm basically just doing a car video today. I wanted to show you guys a few things on my car basically. So, I got some things in store. I'm basically gonna tell you guys what I'm doing with the car. I'm just showing you guys the whole car again. I like doing that. It's so awesome. But yeah, I got something in store. I'm buying a new mod for the car, and I want you guys to be a part of it. So I'm gonna show you guys in a second. So stay tuned. I wanted to show you my car, and I'm gonna give you a cold start too. 2014 Dodge Charger SE edition, y'all. Hey guys, here go a cold start inside the vehicle. I don't have an exhaust on it yet, so I got engine mod. So I want to show off how the engine sounds inside the car more than anything. It's pretty sweet. Okay, everyone. Hey, let's talk about the car more. It's a 2014 Dodge Charger SE. It was dead stock when I got it. I put a bunch of mods on it. Exterior, I did rims, decals, and I also did shocks. And I changed the brakes into performance brakes and did Ballestein shocks and struts and the red calipers. So with that being said, I wanted to, the next mod I was doing. If y'all didn't see my last video, I had changed the grill. So um, so with that being said, I just was going to, show y'all guys the next mod I was doing. I'm already ordered it. I already ordered it and everything, but I'm just showing you guys, what's in store for my car and what's in store for the channel. And for my car model, SE, it's a bunch of different styles, but I already know which one I was going with, so I'm just gonna jump straight into it. It was the SRT style fiberglass body kit. I think this one is really cool. It ranged in a couple prices. Because they got different options, like different packages. So the one I was getting was not the 6 pieces, because the 6 pieces come with front bumper cover, side skirts, rear bumper cover, rear wing, trunk lid, spoiler, and a hood. I already got the spoiler, so I didn't want to waste money on that. They basically charging $100 more for it. So I was getting the four pieces. It comes with a front bumper cover, 2 side skirts, and a rear cover. It's $406. And I also was getting a hood. I like this style hood right here, the SRT style hood. I know that I gotta get hood pins because it's not included with the thing. So with that being said, let's add that stuff to the cart. And we're gonna get these hood pins. I wanted to show y'all how much this was and talk about the cart too while I did it. That way you guys can actually see, me order this and go about it. Okay, so I'm just going with the silver hood pins right here, and add that to the cart. Well, they cost. I already know how much they cost, but I was just trying to show you guys how much my cart going to be. They got a different variety of them. So, with that being said, guys, I wanted to show you guys how much of this was gonna be. I already ordered it once again. I just wanted to show you guys. So stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching my videos and being a part of my channel. I got some more car videos coming. I'm so excited about that. So after we do this, after I get my parts and we do this next mod, I got a lot in store for this car. So I want to bring y'all along for the journey and everything. And yeah, so when I get these parts in a couple days, I'm gonna film that, and I gotta go to the shop and get some estimates and see how much they're gonna charge me to get all this put on and a few other things. So yeah, I got another video coming soon, guys, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching once again. It's your boy Slushy Student, and I am out.